Happy Sunday. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another look at your weather on the ones. We're going to start with a look at precipitation so far this month at CVG, and you can see just 6 days we've seen precipitation so far. Now, officially at the airport, we've seen over 2 inches, which puts us a little bit above average. Now, this is a little bit skewed because we had that day with all those thunderstorms basically sitting on top of the airport that delivered all this rain. There are other areas that have seen very little rain so far this month and others that have seen more than this. It's very dependent on where those pop-up showers and storms develop and kind of sit over as in terms of your rainfall amount. Now, 6 to 10 days out, Climate Prediction Center saying for our area equal chances of above or below normal precip, which means basically average, is what we should see over the next 6 to 10 days. So just keep that in mind. Today's forecast is a very, very tricky one. Temperatures are going to be very dependent on the amount of clouds that we see and if we see any rainfall. We've got decaying thunderstorm complexes just to our northwest. Do those hold together to bring us showers or later this morning into the early afternoon? Or does the energy associated with them help to develop more activity, or do we see little, if anything? So just plan on a couple of downpours this afternoon just to be safe. I don't think it's going to be a washout, but I don't think it's going to be completely dry either, especially the closer to the Ohio River you go, and if you have plans to the north and east, maybe you're going up to Kings Island today with the family. And then we're quiet tonight into tomorrow morning, and then we should be mainly dry for our Monday. Where it's not dry is near Hurricane Erin, which has weakened toward a Category 3, but you see the eye wall here close up, and then it looks like the last couple of frames here are starting to redevelop, probably going through an eye wall replacement cycle, which would allow it to strengthen again later today, but still expected to be mainly a maritime issue as it moves away from the United States over the next 3 to 5 days. A couple of hit or miss thunderstorms this afternoon. Again, if we get a lot more of those storms, temperatures will probably be a few degrees cooler than the numbers that you see here on your screen. Remember, we're back down into the upper 60s by Monday morning, and the extended forecast is a hot one from Monday and Tuesday before a cold front moves through here on Wednesday. Behind that front, some slightly cooler air to knock temperatures back down to where they should be for late August.